Well, yesterday a gentleman gave you a cell phone. Do you still carry that cell phone with you?
Somebody gave me a cell phone.
Yeah, yesterday at the gas station. We got you on video.
I lost it.
Where you lost it at?
I gave it to the girl and said.
To the who?
I thought it was a girl and I ain't got it.
You went to the jail.
I thought it was a girl.
To a girl.
Yeah. I gave it to a girl and said it was her.
That was a white girl?
Yeah. At the gas station.
Alright.
Do you know how the girl looked like?
I don't know if she was sure. I don't know.
Because I know a white dude, he gave you the cell phone.
Yeah, he said it was a girl. I went and gave it to the girl.
And then you put it in your pocket and then you left.
Yeah, I gave it to the girl down the street. They say it was the girl phone.
Yeah, it was my phone.
Alright, so she's a white girl?
Yeah.
So you don't know how she was dressed? You remember how she was dressed?
No.
Brown hair? Did she have brown hair?
Yeah, I think so.
I think, was she with a black guy?
She was walking by herself.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I appreciate it. Thank you.